Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 100-pack of cellophane dog bags. These are so cute. I've got 2 little dogs, and we do little birthday parties for them, just because we're pet lovers. So these are gonna work super great to put our little dog treats in there, and just even have them for little decorations around. I got some dog treats in here. We're gonna put them in here. This little bag is so cute. It's got little dog paws all over it with little rings. I'm gonna fill it up in here, bring it in and kind of look at it. But it holds the items really well. It's a nice thick cellophane here. And then we tie it up. And then on the inside, they have the little twisty ties for you as well. So here's all of the bags. Like I said, it's a 6-inch by 10-inch bag. And each little bag has these little bones and rings on them. And this would look so cute. Like if you had a little pet store, you could put little pet food or treats. You could even put, like if the kid's having a pet party, you can put little treats in here for gift bags. These are super cute. The little ties here are all different varieties of colors. And then you get a couple of extra stickers.